We all love science, it's crazy and fun. We're about to have fun. We all love mad science. We all love science, it's crazy and fun. We're about to have fun. With mad science.
Hi everybody, this is Jolting Jonathan.
And Cyclone Cindy.
From Mad Science of Southern Massachusetts and Rhode Island. Cyclone Cindy, today, this is one of my favorites, and I thought maybe we could talk about this a little bit today. I have a small bottle of Diet Cola, and I have a mint candy. We've all seen the experiment. It's on TV, it's on social media, it's everywhere, where you put some of the mint candy inside the Diet Cola,
right,
and you get a reaction.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I thought maybe we could explain to everybody today why we get that reaction. So really first, let's just show you. So I'm going to take a little bit of my Diet Cola. That's hermetically sealed.
Super fizzy.
Exactly. It's very fizzy if you see it. I'm just going to pour it right inside this container right here. We don't need a lot because we're just doing a small scale for science. And I'm just going to set this down right over here. And then we're going to take our candy. So let's see if we're zoomed right in, and we're going to drop it right in there. And we get some fizz.
A little bit of fizz.
A lot of fizz, but oh, there it's going. We're getting a little bit more fizz now. We're getting a little bit more fizz. Why do we get that fizz?
Well, we think there's a couple of reasons why that might be happening. One thing is, when I first saw this, I thought it was a lot like when you mix vinegar and baking soda, and
like
you
a
get
chemical reaction.
and you get lots of extra carbon dioxide. But then I thought, wait a minute, these kind of sodas, they already have lots of carbon dioxide in them. And when you're done, it gets a little flat. So what we think is happening is the carbon dioxide is coming out. And what we think happens is, you know the shape of those little things? If you look at them under a microscope, you see that there's little tiny little dots. We call them nucleation points. Kind of like when you look at a golf ball or even an egg close up. And we think that those nucleation points, they attract the carbon dioxide and they kind of shake it up like you're really shaking a canister.
Okay, so basically the carbon dioxide goes towards the nucleation points, kind of like it's attracted almost like a magnet.
Right.
And it goes flying in there, builds up a tremendous amount of pressure, and the top of that bottle it's almost like a nozzle.
Right.
So it builds up tremendous pressure, and it's got to go somewhere, so it goes up.
Up and out.
Well, that's really cool, but I don't think that everybody watching really wants to see us just use this tiny amount of stuff. So I've actually brought some other stuff, and let's take a little field trip. You guys want to take a field trip? So before we do this, there is a lot of question whether or not Diet Cola works best. To be completely honest, there are a couple of different theories. Diet Cola works best, but why? We're not sure. Some people think that the artificial sweeteners, because there's no corn syrup, actually reduces surface tension. Some people actually think that the artificial sweeteners kind of enhance the reaction. I'm going to be completely honest. We don't know, and there are more important things for scientists to spend their time with. When we solve all the world's problems, we will come back to the fizzy soda experiment. But what we're going to do, we're going to drop these mints right inside the Diet Cola. Now, this is a little different than some of the things we do because you can try this at home. The most important thing though, when you drop the mints into the soda, you run, okay? You go immediately, just go. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
We're gonna take our tops off. All right, now we're gonna get in the runaway position. In 3, 2, 1. And you get this amazing geyser of soda. And that's all because of those nucleation points. It's amazing the things you can do with a little bit of science, and it's a lot of fun. So once again, I have been Jolting Jonathan.
And Cyclone Cindy.
We're from Mad Science of Southern Massachusetts and Rhode Island, and we really want to know what you want to know. We want to know what experiments you want to see. So tell you what, write to us, email us, call us, and we'll see you guys soon.